Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I am Hira Noreen, your computer science teacher, and today is our first lecture of week 4 from chapter number 1, Fundamentals of Computer. So before we start our lecture, we must recap the previous lesson in which we discussed the uses of computer in the media and manufacturing. So we discussed in the media the computer is used in print media and electronic media. Print media basically is the refer to the mass communication in which the magazines, newspaper, novels, books and flyers are included, and it's help to it help in printing, etc. And in electronics media it is help in broadcasting, the radio and television transmission, and also internet and mobile media. And similarly in manufacturing, we discussed that the computer is widely used in manufacturing industries in which it is help to design the products and then manufacture with the products with the help of computer. So here we start our today's lecture in which we discuss the career in information technologies. So basically, when you are belong to the field of IT, software engineering, and CS means computer science, then you have chances to set your career in information technology. There are lots of career in information technology, multi career fields. Basically it's a multi career field, and which included the software engineer, hardware engineer, network administrator, database administrators, web designers, multimedia designers, information security analyst, and computer teacher. So first we discuss the software engineer. Software engineer is basically the high skilled person in the field of IT whose responsibility involve the analysis, design, implementation, and maintenance of computer software. Basically, the software engineer first analyze the computer software, then design, then prepare the design and implement and maintain the computer software. First, he investigate the problem, and then after writing the algorithm, then he create the flow chart of the problem, and after flow charts he writes the programs to implement the computer software or programs. And then further the software engineer are classified into the two categories. The first one is a programmer and system analysis. Programmers are basically the IT professionals who have extensive knowledge and expertise in the field of programming language. They are expert in computer programming language, like they are used to write they use different language like Java, C++, C sharp, .NET, and many other type of language to write the computer programs. And they program the computer by writing the step-by-step instruction and tell the computer what to do. Like if the programmers make a programs for solving the particular problem, then when we install the software on the system, the software perform the same task for which it is to be designed. And the computer programmers write the programs to solve the problem related with the business, education, engineering, government offices, hospitals, etc. Like in education department, we need programs in which we take the online attendance of staff and online attendance of students, and library management system in government offices need to hold on the records of their employees, and in hospitals patient history, etc. are maintained by using the different software that are developed by the computer programmers. The next category of software engineer is system analyst. System analyst analyze the data processing requirement of organization and analyze the information system to implement them. The responsibility of system analysis is to analyze what the requirements of data processing and what is needed to implement the information system. Then he investigates the problem by carefully reading the problem to understand what the problem is and what the problem asks to do. And then he lists the list of solution, what are the solution are available to solve the problem, and then he select the best solution to solve the problem and implement the system that is required. The system analyst also coordinate with the programmers and database administrators to develop the information system. Because the system is, when the system are developed, computer programmer or system analysis analyze the data or programs, they must take it with the database, and that's why the system analysis also cooperate with the programmers and then database administrators to fully develop the information system. In this lecture, we will learn the software engineer, programmers, and system analyst. The assignment of this lecture is write a short note on the software engineer on your loose sheet. So this is our today's lecture. Hope you understand it, and if you have any question or query, you can ask from me.